Let's see if it's gonna work right now. Let's see what's gonna work. This is the entry signal, guys. This is the new trading system that we're using. All right. It's currently on promo until the third of September. Okay, so you guys can get it for $100. If you need it, just send me a DM. Let me see. Okay, guys, I'm resending the link for the stream. Hopefully, this will be a better maintained stream than the previous one. Okay, so it looks like we're back on YouTube. We're back live on YouTube. It says my connection is better. I'm so happy about that. So, for those guys who just joined us right now, we're currently on the Eurostox 50, as you can see right there on the screen. We entered an immediate sell right now with our stop loss at 357.68. And then our take profit is 3427.38. Okay, so for the guys who already have the trading system, I took the trade based off of the 30 minute time frame. Okay, so anyways, let's just keep going. Let's see if we can't find any additional trades that we can take. France 40 looks like we can also take that, but on an H4 time frame. H4 time frame, but there's no need to go overkill because we already have the same type of setup. Same type of setup on the Eurostox 50. So it's like you're taking the same trade basically. All right, so let's just see the G wagon, the G30, the DAX, similar type of thing. So the guys who trade DAX as well. Let me just look at this thing properly. Okay, look to the left. You can see that there's some sort of convergence here. There's a price pattern that's forming here. You guys can see that. You mustn't ignore these price patterns, guys. You know, it's like they help you to understand the market. So usually when I see such, like you see what you're seeing on the screen right now, this type of price action that's happening with this symmetrical triangle, it usually tells me that there's going to be a fast move that's going to come through. Okay, so if you see this type of behavior, you know that when you watch this market, you just watch which side it's going to break out. So if it breaks out to the bottom, which is what is most likely to happen, because of, we can see there was some bearish momentum there, you know, a little bit of pullback. So the idea is there will be a continuation of that initial bearish momentum there. Okay, so my money's to the downside. All right, my money's to the downside. But then if it doesn't do that and it breaks the top trend line right there, that structure there, it's telling you that the market's looking to go high to higher levels. Okay, so it's something to keep in mind. So here's one right here. This is the G30, right? So what I'm going to do with the G30, I can see similar type of thing that's happened with the Eurostox 50. You got like impulsive move right there, and then we've got our pullback, right? And then once we got our pullback, you guys can see that now the market looks like it wants to come back down to this support here. Okay, but then our entry level will be when this market gets out of this support level there, and then I'm looking to take the trade when it breaks the low. If it breaks that low right there, that's our entry point. Okay, let me make that into a different color. If it breaks that purple line that I'm going to draw now, okay, if it breaks that purple line, that's our entry point on the DAX. And then stop loss, we can either put it where the system recommends, or we put it right up where there's that continuation line right there. So similar thing to what we did on the Eurostox 50 is what applies here. Okay, so if you guys are noticing, I'm busy looking at these yo guys, what's up on YouTube? Can you guys see the screen? Do we got visual? Is everything okay on the thing on YouTube? Just let me know, right? Just let me know in the chats, because I'm getting some message saying that my connection is very slow. It says my connection is very slow. But anyways, um, this is what's happening right now. So if we break, let me just read the number. Maybe you can just put a sell stop, okay, because it might be a fast movement to the downside. So the sell stop is at 12818.41, and then the stop loss is 129 12, okay, a 0.78, and then the take profit is 12602.69. So this is the G30, right? The German 30, the DAX 30, or whatever the case may be you guys want to call it. So we've got a sell stop opportunity here. So it's sell stop at this price, which is 12818.41, and then we've got a stop loss at 12912.78, and then we've got to take profit at 12602.69. Okay, so that's what it is that we're looking for now. Oh, connection is good, thank you so much. All right, so are you getting the trades, man? We've got two trades. We've got a trade on Euro stocks, right, which we've entered. We entered into a sell trade based off of the 30-minute time frame, and then we've got a sell stop on the 30-minute time frame as well for the G30, the German 30, the GER30. That's the one that we got a sell stop on, and the parameter, the take profit is 12602.69. Okay, so if you guys have been looking at my posts these past few days, you'll notice that I showed you guys how to manage your trade, okay? Because it's actually very important, okay? It's very important, guys, that you manage the trade if you get into a possible opportunity here, okay? Because you don't want to be in a situation where you get an opportunity that's profitable, but then now at the end of the day you get taken out because the market suddenly changed direction. Okay, so you don't want to have that type of situation. Okay, so always make sure that once you get into profit, manage the trade, either secure some of the positions or shift your stop. It's very important. Okay, you'll find that some people are losing money because of these things, okay? Because remember, the market can trend, okay? And then after a trend, it slows down and it consolidates, right? So some people can't identify or they can't see when the market isn't trending, right? And then when it's consolidating and they get into a trade, maybe that trade gives them a certain amount of profit, but then it's not sustainable because it's a consolidating market. You understand what I'm saying? So if the market is consolidating, whatever the case may be, right, chances are that there might be a reversal of the direction. So when you're in profit, you need to shift the stop loss. You understand? Okay. So those are some of the things that you have to do, right? You cannot not do that, right? Unless you're a risk taker, unless you're like a heavy risk taker. Okay, but yeah, that's what's up. So anyways, let's just keep going. Let me see other markets. JPN 225, JPN 225 didn't hit the sell stop level that I wanted, so I'm just gonna ignore this one until maybe the early AM. So if I see a trade on this in the early AMs, if we break the low of the week, okay, if we break the low of the week, that will be an entry point. Okay, who doesn't understand what I'm saying? Because I know there might be some newbies on the stream right now who are watching, and it's okay if you don't understand. That's how you learn. US 30 and NAS 100, guys. All right, these are some heavy hitters. Okay, we have to be. Look at what US 30 is doing. Look, let me just show you guys on a clean chart so you guys can see. I feel like we're being coerced into some trades, right? Look at this. I just want to show you guys something. You guys see what's happening on the screen right now. You can see that the market dropped very nicely. See that over there? It dropped like crazy, right? Consolidated, pulled back a bit, dropped again, gave some money, right? And then now look what's happening. It's like they're just playing around. It's like they're waiting for something here. Okay, so because of that, I think I'm gonna stay away from US 30, NAS 100 just for a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna stay away for just a little bit. Somebody says that they're trying to learn the trend. Okay, now that's all good. Um, yeah. Anyways, guys, that was my daughter who just popped in. But yeah, anyways, for that reason, guys, I'm gonna just stay a little bit far. I'm just gonna watch US 30 for now because of the consolidation. And another reason is the pip value is just pretty high, guys. Because now, if you get into a trade during this phase, right, the risk is a bit higher, okay? Because one pullback might just wipe you out, depending on the type of account that you have. You understand? All right, thanks. Ngicela ungivalele manje, yaf. I mean, ngicela ungivalele emnyango, yaf. Bye bye. Bye. It's like I'm going. Okay, vala lapho, yaf. All right, somebody's asking. All right, okay. Here's somebody with a good question. Okay, somebody's asking me why am I preferring to move away from NAS 100 and US 30 today? Okay, it's like this. Let me just give you a little bit of context. Okay, so if you look at the market, um, it's got three behaviors. Okay, you've got a time when the market is trending, right? Which means that the market is making consistent moves to the upside, right? And then you've got times when the market is trending down, which is means that the market is consistently moving to the down, like it keeps going down and down and down. Okay, and then when it's not trending up and it's not trending down, it means that it's moving sideways, right? We call that consolidation. Okay, so usually what happens is after a trend, the market, it sort of like rests and it doesn't, like, let's say maybe for example, if the market has been moving up in an uptrend, right, at some point it's going to stop moving up consistently and then it's going to move sideways. Okay, so that's kind of like what I'm seeing right now on the US 30. Okay, we had some very big drop, okay, these past few days, right? Last week we saw a very big drop, and then this week as well we saw some opportunity. We actually got into that trade on, I think it was yesterday. I think it was yesterday or the day before, on Monday. I just don't remember when the trade closed. But then from there, you can see that the market now is starting to move sideways again. Okay, like what you saw. Let me just show you the clean chart. All right, look at this clean chart right here. You can see big drop, pullback. You see, there's the big drop, consolidation, pullback, uh, big drop again, and then it looks like now it's just playing. There's like some support level happening right here. So I prefer to actually enter into this trade once I see like a clear breakout. If that makes sense. Like a breakout is when the market quickly moves past a support or a resistance. Okay, so for now, and also, another thing to also notice, like when you trade US 30 NAS 100, like when you open up your trades, the it profits quickly and then it goes negative very quickly, right? So it's not advisable to jump in when the market is consolidating because sometimes you might get false signals. Okay, you might be right on your guess, right? But then because of the high pip value, on a standard account, it might take you out if it's like busy consolidating, right? So I'd rather just wait for clear breakout than to jump into the markets. But taking trades on the G30 and the Eurostox 50, it's less of an impact if you compare it to US 30, right? Hopefully that made sense. Which one is making profits, Hendrix? Which one is making profits? NFP is on Friday. Exactly. Right. But we could see some movements. All right. We could see some movements. Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna have a look. Even tomorrow we are gonna be checking this out. Okay. We are gonna be following these markets. We are gonna be looking at all these things. Okay. So if there's like an opportunity, right? If there's like an opportunity, then we'll just jump in. right? It's possible that we get an opportunity maybe in an hour, 2 hours. The price might look differently than what it's doing right now. Okay, and then we'll just react to the situation when it's there. Okay. Oh, Euro 50. Euro 50 is making some money right now. Let me just see how much I'm making on Euro 50. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, not bad. Okay, now that's cool. Yeah, but anyways, it's still a long trade, so I'm still gonna allow it to run, guys. I'm still gonna allow it to run. Yeah, yeah, GBP USD. GBP USD still holding that. Still holding that, guys. It has to drop a little bit more for me so I can shift my stop. So we're still holding GBP USD, guys. We're still holding. You know what I mean? We're still holding on that. So which other trades are you on? We're still holding GBP USD. Definitely holding GBP. Okay, I got 5 people on YouTube. Who's here, guys? Who's here? Let me see who's here. Let me see who's there, guys, because I can't really see who's here. What's up, Lebuhang? What's good? Bongani, what's up? Makakula, what's up? Magags, what's up, man? Yeah, we're still holding GBP USD. We're gonna watch those carefully, okay? All right, now let's just move on. Since we already got some trades, let's just move to other charts, guys. Move to other charts. So who's making money this week? Who's making money this week, guys? You know, who's making money? Who's not making money? Much love from Uganda. Brrr, pa, pa, pa. I wish I had sound effects, man. I think I do. Wait, hold on. I think I do have sound effects on YouTube. Oh, I do. I do have. Wait, hold on. Let me get the right one. Let me get the right one for you. That's definitely not the one. Hey. I was just playing with some of the sound effects that I have here on YouTube. All right, let's just keep going, guys. Let's keep going. Just closed off US 30 1 hour back. All right, nice one. Nice. Did you make some paper? Oh, you made some paper. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. As long as you're making paper, it's all good. As long as you're making paper, it's all good. Okay, US. Man, I should have actually entered this thing yesterday. You know what happened, guys? I wanted to open up Euro AUD last night, but for some reason I hesitated. And now I'd be deep in money. Hey, I'd be deep in money, guys. But it's all good. It's all good. We always find opportunities. We always find opportunities. All right. Yeah. Man. Okay. 5. Oh, my signal was fire. Hey, hey, oh, that one. Hey, that one was. Hey, that one made me money, dude. That one made me money. Hey, that one made me money, man. And you know what else I did? I took. I also took other trades because even like after the stream, guys, I'll be using my system to look for other trades. You understand? So what I'm showing you guys right now is actually, I'm gonna do more. Right? I'm gonna do more, and actually get more trades. You know, and jump in maybe on several different things, right? But low risk, and then it like compounds together, which is actually quite. You know what I mean? Okay, we've got my daughter never win this thing. Okay, somebody says Euro 50 is moving. Ish, I don't want to chase Euro AUD, guys. You know what we can do, guys? Okay, let's jump into. I'm jumping into Euro AUD H4 setup, right? Okay, we are kind of like at a resistance, so I'm going in with a low lot size. My take profit is 14809. Stop loss is at 145581, right? But this one, I feel wait, I'm chasing it. I'm chasing it. Okay, so it might take a few hours or several hours. All right, it might take several hours. So let me just keep going. Let me see if I can't. We missed a nice signal, guys. On yeah, we missed a nice signal on Euro GBP. All right, we missed a nice signal. But if you're watching the charts, probably would have made it. Hey, you see, this is one of my trades on. Okay, I'm already in the Euro JPY trade. I'm already in the Euro JPY trade. All right. See, now let's keep moving because there's no new entry. Okay, there's no new entry. There's no new. Let me just shift this thing. All right, guys. Let me just since I got you guys here, let me just show you guys something. Okay. What chart was that? Euro JPY. I want to show you guys something quickly because I feel like some people just won't get it. Okay. So this is a current trade that I have running right now. This is on Euro JPY. Okay, I opened this trade. It was yesterday, like in the morning. I think somewhere there. Okay, and then I opened it right there. Can you guys see where my entry price was there? I opened at like 138 600 somewhere there. Okay, and you can see what happened is the market now is in profit, right? You see it went up from here and then now it's all the way up here, right? So I'm making profit on this trade, okay? And then my stop loss was here, take profit was there, right? So a couple of things I want you guys to see, right? This is actually very important. I did touch on this in the beginning, but this is actually very, very important, okay? So now, when the market is moving like this, just because you're in profit now, okay, it doesn't mean that the market has to go up to your take profit level, okay? The market can still turn around from where it is right now. It can still come down to where I opened up the trade, can come down to where the stop loss is. It can even go beyond that, okay? Without even giving you a warning, it can do that, right? So, good habits that you need to try to do, right? When you're in situations where you're making profit, okay? You can now start managing the trade by doing one of these things, okay? Or this thing that I'm going to show you, right? Um, why am I talking about this, okay? Because there's a possibility, like I said, there's a possibility for this market to turn around, right? Let's say maybe we're making $100 here. There's a possibility for us that the market turning around and us losing that 100, and then there's a possibility of the market even going lower and making us even lose more than what we started with. Okay, so we have to protect ourselves. So how do we do that? We do that by changing the stop loss. You can either drag and drop it on your MetaTrader 4 or just modify the trade on your phone. Does the same thing. Okay, so since I'm buying here, what I usually do is I just drag the stop loss, right, and I put it above the entry price. Okay, the entry price is down here, so I'll put it above the entry price, like right there. Okay, and then when I get the trade in this type of situation, okay, it's actually where I want it to be. You understand? This is where I want my trades to be, because now whichever direction the market takes, for whatever reason, I don't care, I'm still gonna bank some money, right? And then my account balance is gonna be protected. Okay, so even if the market from this point goes up to hit that level there, it's gonna close the trade in profit. That's the best scenario. Okay, or now if the market decides to turn because of some news, because I'm a purely technical trader, I don't follow fundamentals. Okay, um, let's say there's some fundamental FOMC, whatever the case may be, and then it tells the market to go down and pushes the market to go down very quickly. So let's say the market goes down very quickly. What's going to happen is when the price starts moving down, right, and it hits that stop loss, it's going to close this trade in profit. Okay, so this is different from when the stop loss was at the bottom here. Okay, so when the stop loss was still down here, let me just move it back. When the stop loss was still down here, okay, and let's say now the market went down, okay, I'd actually lose money. But then if the stop loss is above the entry price, instead of losing money, I secure some of the profits when the market actually hits that stop loss level. Okay, this is actually much more important than any trading strategy. Because this is actually a trading strategy on its own, guys. It's one of the ways that you can minimize losses. Okay, because sometimes you might be looking at the market, you might see like a dope opportunity. Okay, and you might think that the market is trending, and only to find that you're at the beginning of a consolidation phase, or you're at a phase where the market now wants to turn around. Okay, so this protects you from those situations. Okay, so it's those things that you need to practice if you want to be a trader. Like if you want to trade and you want to do it consistently, this is like grade two. You understand what I'm saying? This is grade two, guys. This is like some grade two stuff that I'm showing you. Okay, it's grade two stuff, but it's very important. Make sure that you understand this. Okay, who's with me? Who understands? Who doesn't? I'll explain it to you again if you need me to, but it's very important that you understand this if you want to be a trader. Okay, if you want to be a trader, some people probably were losing money because they didn't understand this. All right, they probably lost money because they didn't understand this simple method. Okay. All right, okay. So Bongani says he's okay. Somebody wants me to explain it again. All right, let me just do it again. Let me explain it for you guys one more time. Okay, I'll make. The hell did I just do? I'll make another example. Right? No worries, it's all good. Let me just remove the grid so you guys can see properly. Okay, let's try explain it this way. Right? Okay, somebody says they understand. Okay, for that person who doesn't understand, guys, let me just explain it to them one more time. All right. So basically, this is what I'm saying. Okay, let's say for whatever reason you open up a sell trade where the market currently is right now. Okay, let's say you open up a sell trade there. Okay, and let's say your sell trade gets opened. Maybe okay, this is where the current market is. It's at where that purple line is. Okay, let's say we open up a sell trade over there. Okay, and then let's say now we decide to put our take profit down here. Okay, let's say we decide to put our take profit down here, and then let's say we decide to put our stop loss up here. Okay, like because when you start a trade, make sure you got your stop loss and take profit. Those are your exit points. All right, so you entered at the purple line, all right, or the pink line right there. Okay, for sell. Okay, you put your take profit down there at the green line. You put your stop loss at the red line, and then now let's say the market starts moving down. Let's make this yellow. Okay, let's make different colors. Let's say now the market starts moving from that purple line. Okay, let's say it starts moving and then you start making profit, 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 profit. Let's say maybe you're making where the yellow line is right now. Let's say you're making $200 here. Okay, let's say you're making $200 here. That's where the market currently is. Okay, so when you're in this situation, you mustn't just sit on your thumbs. Okay, what you need to do is you need to modify this trade, and then you need to change this stop loss. Okay, this stop loss right here, you need to move it, because since you're selling, you need to move it underneath your entry price. Okay, like this. Okay, you need to move it from where it was up there, and then you need to move it down. And then once you've moved it down, okay, what that does is it protects you from losing money if the market now decides to change direction suddenly. Okay, so what that means is, let's say now the market was down here at the yellow line, and let's say if there's something that happens in the market and the market quickly goes up, okay, it's gonna hit that stop loss, and then it's still going to close the trade in profit. As opposed to, let's say if you didn't do that, okay, let's say you didn't do that, the market dropped, you made $200, and then for whatever reason it didn't hit the TP. Let's say now when it was here, it turned around and quickly went up. You lose the 200, and then you lose maybe the risk that you took here. Maybe let's say you lost $300 here. So you would have lost a lot of money because you didn't manage the trade, right? So it's very important to manage the trade, because now if you move your stop loss, okay, it makes the trade risk free. Okay. So even if the market goes down to hit the take profit, it's going to close the trade in profit. You make money. You happy. You're still happy, right? And then even if it turns around and then it hits that stop loss that you've moved, okay, you won't be sad. You won't be as happy, but then you know at least you secured some of the profits. Okay, you're not going to lose any more additional money, but then you're going to close that trade in profit. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, somebody's asking how's Euro 50 doing. From what I can see, where is the market price? The market price, we're in profit still, but it's not making enough right now for me. So I'm still holding, guys. I'm still holding. Okay, I'm still holding. I'm still holding on Euro 50. Okay. Oh, I thought this was Euro AUD, guys. All right, let's see. Let's keep going. Hopefully you understood that. Hopefully you understood that. Okay. Let's keep going. Euro JPY. Okay. Think that's fine for the trades that we have, you know. The Euro USD sell stop never triggered, guys. It never triggered. It never triggered. So I think for now, let's just stick with those trades. There's no reason for us to look for additional trades. Okay, I need to go, guys, in about 2 seconds. Okay, let me just have a look quickly at the GBP pairs. GBP, okay, nothing immediate. I'm not seeing something like that I would take right now. You know, it's all things that I would take after some breakouts. Okay, GBP, JPY, nothing. GBP, NZD. GBP, NZD, we're going for sell. Like you see these GBP pairs, guys, from where they are. You know, there's possible entries if we see the market breaking the lows. Okay, if we see the market breaking the daily low, that's a confirmation to sell. You know, if I'm following those markets, that's where to sell. GBP USD moving very slowly. Give us a little bit of profit, but I'm still gonna hold it. Still gonna hold it. I still do believe that it's gonna drop. Okay. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna disconnect right now. Um, will you hold a? Somebody's asking if I'll hold a live session for NFP. Look, if I'm home and I have some time, I probably will. But I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be live on Friday at 5. Hey guys, Fridays. Hey, Friday's another day. I don't know what happens on Fridays, but it's a whole nother day, guys. You know, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be live on Friday. Okay, but I'll communicate on the Telegram channel. All right. So that's what's up. So guys, the specials are ending on Saturday. So just make sure that you guys jump in. Somebody's asking for UJ. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me just see if I can't get UJ quickly. USD JPY. USD JPY. Let me just check that quickly. USD JPY. USD JPY. Okay, no, I don't have a trade right now on H4. On but UJ as well right now. Okay, look at what's happening on the USD JPY. Okay, we are look similar. You see that story of US 30 and NAS, like same thing on UJ. We're consolidating now. Look at that bullish movement there on the left hand side, and then now currently the market is consolidating. So we're waiting for breakout. Okay, waiting for breakout. Like right there, I see a trend line right there. I see a trend line right there. So this is a symmetrical pattern right here. Okay, so maybe next time when I go live we'll talk about symmetrical patterns, but this is a symmetrical pattern. So we're waiting for a breakout either at the bottom or the top. Okay, so if there's a breakout at the bottom, like what I would do if I'm trading USD JPY, like I'd watch this. If the market drops and breaks this low right here, right, I'll target the take profit that the system gave me down here. You guys see where that is? It's like 137491. So what I do is I wait for the market to break out here. Okay, I'd wait for it to break out here, and then target this one right here. Easy. You know, it's like these charts are doing the exact same things, guys, every single day. You know, so you must just get used to finding these opportunities. But anyways, guys, I'm about to disconnect. Good luck trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and then we'll link up. All right. But anyways, cheers, guys. Good luck. Holla at you guys later. All right.